Hello guys, today Eva from Focus Machinery is going to introduce one set of fastener packing machine. It's mainly to pack the screws, nails, which is up to bit 150 millimeters. In this system, is to pack the hardware into the box, which about 4 kg to 5 kg per box automatically. Okay, let me start from this large vibrating feeder first. This vibrating feeder, it uses the vibration motor. It consists of two sets of vibration motors. It can contain about 600 to 800 kilograms of screws or nails. And after this large feeder, there are two sets of small vibrating feeder. It uses the vibration coil, and it is to convey the screws or nails evenly before they go to the weir. And later we come to this inclined conveyor. Use this PVC type. This multi-conveyor consists of 14 weighing hopper. It's not a common type because we have taken the strong impact force of the screw from the inclined conveyor into account. If you do need a hardware packing machine, this weir is the very important part. After the weir, the screw will be conveyed by two sets of vibrating feeder, which also to convey them evenly. What our worker need to do is just put the empty box on this bar, and it will convey the box into this filling station. You can see there are two dischargers. It will insert into the box, so we can prevent the screws dropping out of the boxes. After filling, the package will come to this check weir to reject the unqualified package, which is overweight or underweight. Here is the pusher, and if the product package meet the target weight, the package will be conveyed to this table, and then the worker will pick up the package here and close the box and then finish. And this is the control box for the whole set of system. We just need to set up the packing speed you need on this touch screen. Inside this large control box, we use a good quality of electronic components. Here is the slider, breaker, and the OEM relay. And this is the Panasonic VFD. This touchscreen is for the weir. We just need to set up the target weight and the tolerance you can accept on this touchscreen, and then we can operate this system. And here, this is the touchscreen for the check weir. We also just need to set up the target weight on the check weir, so the check weir will help you to detect the package. In this system, the packing speed is about 4 to 10 boxes, or maybe 12. It depends on the weight per box and the nails per box. The longer screws it is, the lower speed it will be. This is 100 nails. If the worker had these nails by hand, it's very difficult for him to pat them in same direction. If you use this system, we can solve the problem easily. Okay, I think that's all. Bye.